Hey there, my curious little investor. Have you ever wondered where adults put their money so it can grow and become more money? Well, a lot of them use this amazing place called the Indian stock market. Think of it like a joint shopping mall, but instead of buying toys and candy. You buy pieces of companies. It's really exciting and can help you save money for the future, like for college or even a trip at Disneyland. So, what exactly is a stock? Imagine your favorite chocolate factory. You love their chocolates so much that you wish you could own a little part of the factory. That's basically what a stock is, a tiny piece of a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder, which means you own a part of the that company and get to share in its success. Now, let's talk about where you can buy these stocks. It's like a special playground called the stock exchange in India. The two biggest ones are the Bombay Stocks Exchange BSE and National Stock Exchange NSE. These are like giant computers where buyers and sellers meet to trade stocks. You can't just walk in there. Doubt you need a special helper called a stockbroker. They are like your guide in this playground, helping you choose the right stocks and making sure everything goes smoothly. You might be wondering, which stocks should I buy? Well, that's where things get interesting. There are so many companies in India, from those that make your favorite biscuits to those that build cars or even rockets. Some famous ones you might have heard of are Reliance Industries, Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, and HDFC Bank. These companies have been around for a while and are pretty good at what they do. But remember, just because a company is famous doesn't always means it's the best investment. To figure out which stocks to buy, you need to do a bit of research. It's like being a detective looking for clues about which companies are doing well and have the potential to grow. You can read newspapers, watch business news, or even ask your parents or teachers for help. There are also websites and apps that can give your information about stocks and help you make smart decisions. One important person you might hear about in the stock market is Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. He's like the superstar of the Indian stock market now for his incredible ability to pick winning stocks. He started with just a small amount of money but become one of the richest people in India. Through smart investing, he is a great example of how patience and good decision making can pay off in the stock market. Another interesting thing about the stock market is that it can go up and down like a roller coaster. Sometimes the prices of stocks go up, making your investment worth more. This is called a bull market. Other times the prices go down, which means your investment is worth less. This is called a bear market. It's important to remember that the stock market is not a get rich quick scam. It takes time, patience, and a willingness to learn to become a successful investor. So, how do you start your journey in the stock market? First, learn as much as you can about how it works. Talk to your parents, teachers, or anyone else you know who invest in stocks. You can also read books, watch videos, or attend workshops on stock market investing. Second, start small. Don't invest all your pocket's money at once. Instead, start with a small amount and gradually increase, increase your investment as a as you join more knowledge and confidence. Third, be patient. Patience. Don't expect to become a millionaire overnight. Investing in stocks is a long term game. Be prepared to hold your stocks for several years or even decades to reap the full benefit. Remember, the stock market can be a fun and rewarding way to learn about businesses, grow your money, and secure your financial future. But it's important to be patient, to do you research and make informed decisions with the right knowledge and approach. You can become a successful investor and achieve your financial goals. Always remember to have fun, enjoy the journey. Investing in the stock market can be an exciting adventure. Thank you.